Hello friends, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Now you guys, in today's do-it-yourself vlog video, I am going to be showing you two amazingly beautiful high-end wall art. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, family, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this DIY project started. I'm using these two 4x7s Dollar Tree picture frames, also two Dollar Tree 8x10 picture frames, and these are all of my items, you guys. I am using my Rust-Oleum 2x the coverage metallic silver spray paint, E6000 glue, also my hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. I'm using my crushed diamond epoxy sheets along with my mirrored mosaic tile from BeeBeeCraft. Now you guys, my pictures, two old pictures I have, we're going to just do an update on them and they look like this. We're fin to paint the pieces, and I did here, you guys, I'll show you how I paint my pieces. I'm just taking these 4x7 picture frames. We're going to take that back out. I'm going to be adding that crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheet inside of the frame, you guys. And this hot fix sheet is actually from BeeBeeCraft.com. You guys, I am going to link all of BeeBeeCraft's information down in the description box. A portion of this video is sponsored by BeeBeeCraft. I'm sorry, you guys, this hot fix sheet is actually from TEMU. I will put the link for it in the description. I am going to be using items from BeeBeeCraft as well, but I'm just going to cut this hot fix sheet, you guys, and you know we are doing two, so I'm going just to cut it so that I can set up that 4x7 picture frame. And you guys, what I am going for with this DIY, I want a DIY and a wall art that has a 3D illusion effect. So I'm going to be taking these picture frames to create that. Now I'm just trimming out the excess so that we can line up these picture frames. Now too, you guys, make sure you always talk to me down in the comments if you are liking these wall art or wall decor DIYs. Drop me a comment, wall art or wall decor, down in that comment section, and I know to keep bringing them to you. To you guys, be on the lookout. My video for Friday did not air. I did not put the release time. I uploaded it, but I forgot to schedule it, but I wasn't actually home to release it. So you guys, make sure you do come back on tomorrow, Tuesday, August the 1st, to get that amazing wall art DIY so that you can see it featured and styled in my home. Now as you can see here, I'm just going in on the frames and just adding more security to the frames. You guys, if you buy Dollar Tree frames, you know they are extremely flimsy, but we're going to take that high-end piece to create another, we're going to take that low-end piece to create a high-end piece. This is also that wallpaper sheets from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just lining it up. And once again, you're going to see some Dollar Tree pieces because this is actually a Dollar Tree DIY mixed in with the DIY of items I already had. You see here, we're just lining it up. Now you guys, you know I talk a lot. So with that being said, just follow me along as we continue this high-end wall decor. And all I'm doing now, you guys, we pulled the tabs off the back of that 8x10 frame. I am lining the edge of this 8x10 picture frame with my mirrored tile from BeeBeeCraft. That information for the link for BeeBeeCraft is down in the description. If you are a content creator and would like to partner with BeeBeeCraft, I also have that information included down in the description. Also, useful tip: if you don't use mirrored tile a lot, be careful not to cut yourself, because this tile will cut you extremely deep and extremely easy. So if you're not familiar with the product, make sure that you use some type of gloves when you are handling this product. Now I'm just taking my TEMU, and you guys, this material here is actually from TEMU, and it's the TEMU sort of like shattered glass epoxy sheets. I'm going to show you a close-up link of that on the screen, but I'm just lining the edge of that frame because I am going to place that 4x7 frame on top of this frame as well. So we're just trimming out the edges so that you see none of the picture frame once we finish. And this is the look we are going for with these two frames, you guys. So I'm going to just get it lined up. We're going to hot glue it, and we're going to glue the one frame on top of the other. To you guys, you probably hear TT in the background, so be mindful of that as well. But we're going to continue rolling this DIY projects. I am adding an ample amount of glue because this piece will actually for right now be featured, you guys, in my bathroom. So make sure you are checking out Her Home Is, because you're going to see all of these DIY styled in a room somewhere on that Her Home Is channel. The link for Her Home Is also down in the description box. And Her Home is actually our home decor DIY and lifestyle channel, where you get all things home decor related: room stylings, coffee table stylings, tablescapes, home makeovers and update. Anything that's home decor related, you do get it on Her Home Is. So you guys do make sure you're following us over there on Her Home Is to also help boost the channel. If you don't mind, you guys, we're trying to get Her Home monetized, and we're very close to the monetization. We're losing time every day because you have to reach monetization within that 1 year. So please, guys, please help us push the channel to get it monetized, and also let's help boost that channel to the 10K followers while we're boosting Glam Queen DIY to 50,000 followers. I thank you guys so very much. And now we're cutting this epoxy crushed rhinestone sheets, you guys. And once again, this is from TEMU. I will include the link for that down in the description box. And you guys, let me tell you something. I'm going to also drop the TEMU DIY video down in the description. TEMU has some of the amazing accessories to create some beautiful DIY, especially if you like sparkle, glam, glitter, and glitz. Make sure you do check out TEMU, but I'm going to put all of that information down in the description box. And if you click that link, if you go over to TEMU, hit that link in my description and use my discount code to receive a discount, you guys. And that discount code is actually for new users only. And I'm here, you guys, I'm just peeling off those backing for this crushed diamond epoxy sheet. You guys, all of these sheets are self-adhesive, which is another bonus. And we're just lining up this mirror because as you can see, I'm tracing it out. There are going to be a couple clips where I did put my arm in the way. Please forgive me for that, but make sure you follow me along. And once again, make sure you do check out Her Home Is to see the style. Make sure you stay to the end because I am going to show you a clip of these hung and styled in a space. I'm just not going to show the whole entire space. And as we bring these two DIYs to a close, you guys, this is what this frame looks like. I'm going to show you both of them. I truly hope these gave you some inspiration. Drop me a comment down in the comment section if these wall art did inspire you. Here I'm showing you them style. Now you guys, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Don't forget to check the links in the description box, and also make sure you are subscribed and have those notification bells turned on for Glam Queen DIY, Her Home Is, and more Lux vlogs. We will see you guys in the video for tomorrow. You will be getting content daily for the month of August. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day.